There are many 30-inch induction ranges, but Miele offers one of the absolute best on the market, and it has been for many years. And that's why I'm excited to talk to you today. And Miele is going to have two induction models to choose from, both 30 inches and high quality. The HR 1422 uses a simple and streamlined direct select control system and features, while the HR 1622 has an mTouch advanced control system, a touch-based interface for intuitive operations, as well as more cooking options and features. And that's why today we're going to be focusing on the HR 1622. The key features here is going to have to be the mTouch controls. It features an automatic lift-out control panel, and it's going to lift out and face you when you turn it on. So it's easy to see when you're standing up, and this is going to save you from having to bend down. It's intuitive, easy to use touchscreen, and easy to learn. It's as fluid as a smartphone, so don't expect any lagging or technical issues. A great feature would also have to be the customizable options with the favorites and My Miele settings for a tailored experience just for you. The range features professional style knobs. It's similar to the look and feel of a traditional gas range. The knobs are backlit when in use for visibility and are quite stylish in my opinion. The oven door features a comfort swivel handle, which allows a smooth ergonomic access. Not to mention the oven has a soft closed door, and this is going to avoid slamming and is going to ensure a quiet kitchen, especially if you're multitasking. Opening and closing the door without slamming is essential. The oven door is soft close and soft open. The ability to not slam the door when opening it is a feature very hard to find in any range nowadays. With great features comes advanced cooking technologies, and it starts with cooking modes like MasterChef guided system. It's pre-programmed with 20 modes and over 100 recipes. With these pre-programmed recipes, you simply pick the food, the weight, and how you like it cooked, and the oven does it automatically. The Miele induction range features a steam element called Moisture Plus. Moisture Plus Steam Assist will give you bursts of steam up to 3. This can be done manually or set ahead of time. If you're unsure, MasterChef will be able to help you out too. However, you do need a water line behind the range. If not, you cannot get the steam feature. Here's an example of what the installation would look like behind the range for the water line. You may be asking how this works. Simply put, the water passes through a steam generator and that is evaporated, and then it delivered to the oven as a burst of steam. This 4.6 cubic foot oven houses a twin convection system in the oven, which will allow users to maintain even and uniform consistency, perfect for roasting, baking, broiling, or just about anything in between. The gasket is the lining of the frame that opens the oven door, and it's not on the door itself, which is great news because it is less exposed to wear and tear from repeated door movement. It's going to create a tighter, more consistent seal, and it's going to help retain heat better. Not to mention it's a lot easier to clean too. Fun fact, did you know the racks, runners, and side rails of the inside of the wall oven can all be left during the self-clean cycle? The range comes with 2 standard racks and a telescopic rack, one that easily slides. If you want more of the upgraded racks, more can be purchased as extra accessories. Cleaning the range has never been easier with easy cleaning. There's a special finish applied to the stainless steel appliances that make them easier to clean and maintain. It's designed to resist fingerprints, smudges, and scratches. It's easy to clean and it doesn't require any special detergents or polishes. Not to mention it is more durable and treated to withstand aggressive handling. As we wrap up, we must mention the safety features. If you forget to turn off the range, there's an automatic shut-off switch so you don't have to worry if you run out of the house. For children or anyone susceptible to accidents, all surfaces on and around the appliance remain cool and safe to the touch. The range has a multi-disc structure that effectively isolates the door and ensures lower temperatures on the outside, thus ensuring safety and protection against burns. One of my favorite features, and one of the last ones we'll speak about today, is the wireless probe, and it is something very unique to Miele. Enjoy precise, individualized cooking with a core temperature measurement feature that includes a remaining time display. This feature means that you can step away from the process as the cooking no longer requires constant supervision. Unlike traditional probes, this model features 4 measuring points instead of just 1, 2, or 3, ensuring accurate temperature readings even for the thinnest cuts like steak and fish. The wireless precision probe transmits temperature via a radio frequency, eliminating the need for a battery and making it incredibly convenient to use. This range is very powerful, that is made with a balanced simmer and boost modes to get hot quickly. The induction range features 2 burners at 3850, one 3100, and one 2300 watt element. However, there is no bridge function. So, if you're in the market for a 30-inch induction range, please come visit our showrooms so that you may see the Miele induction range for yourself.